Hey everyone, if you're a veteran or active duty service member and you haven't downloaded your medical records yet, here's a step-by-step guide to get it done. Do you really trust the government not to lose your files? Link to TRICARE Online is in the description. You can either log in with your DS login or your CAC. If you made it this far, 2 check marks on the board. Let's get all 6 and wrap this video up. Click Health Record on the top bar. Be like Dorothy and follow my yellow circle on the left bar that says download my data. This is where it gets interesting, folks. If you got some years on you, there's a chance it will time out. I'd say a good chance, as my download didn't go well at first. A couple things seem to work. Instead of downloading everything at once, download multiple files. Easy way to get that figured out is to download half your career in one and then do it again. For myself, downloaded 10 years each. Another way is to download the entire time, but do it by category. It'll be more files, but whatever gets the job done. If the Matrix didn't fuck it up, you have a PDF like this in your future. Save it for medical history, but really for any future VA claim you may have to prove. Remember, no diagnosis in uniform equals no service connection without a fight. Again, you have 2 weeks to get this done. Share it with your fellow vets. Gunny Beeve, out.